This is the first ball! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
It's already lit, Micah.
Look at these three. Well, it's protecting all of them. Yay for projectiles! Boop. What is it? Micah's so mean. He's always picking on Sarah.
You know, the first time I met Micah, I was sitting at the gym floor. He came up to me, picked me up, gave me two Mexicans.
Yeah, it was nice of him.
That's how I first met Micah.
Yeah, it sounds like Micah. He's always trying to sell somebody to the Mexicans.
Okay, now watch this one. I like that. And like the Nazi occupied territory in like 1944, hearing all that stuff and it actually being inconvenience to artillery and stuff. Don't have your face over it while you're lighting it, by the way, because that might end that. Did you make sure that the right way is pointing up?
Yeah, Gabe is a professional when it comes to... No, he didn't.
Sarah!
Gabe's... Oh!
Sarah!
Whoa!
Sarah!
Oh! Whoa! I see that.
So Sarah.
Sarah tried to...